guys, welcome to my channel. I am joined with my nephew. Say hi.
Hi. I'm not doing makeup with you.
You want to do makeup with me?
Yeah.
Today we're not doing makeup though. Today I'm showing them how I made my jeans.
My jeans?
Yeah. Alright guys, so in this video I'm showing you guys how I created my lightning bolt jeans. I am currently obsessed with them. I think that these jeans were trending on TikTok along with another DIY type of jeans, but I didn't actually see it on TikTok. I saw it on Pinterest. So, I don't know, but I made them, and if you want to see how I made them, then please keep watching. Alright. So the first thing that I did was I had a pair of jeans that I've had for over a year. I got them from the men's sales section of Target because Target does sell Levi's products now. So I went to the men's section because that's where I go a lot of the time because like, I don't know why. I've always just like preferred to go and look at the men's clothes. So I went to the men's section, I found the sale rack, and I found these Levi jeans that were like a smaller size. I knew it wouldn't fit me perfectly, but I knew it would fit me somewhat. So I went ahead and I bought a pair. But I do suggest that you get a little bit of a darker shade of blue jeans to do this on so that the lightning bolts can be seen better. So how I So how I created this lightning bolt design is I went in first with some bleach and I mixed like half bleach, half water just in a cup. I eyeballed it and I painted it on the jeans. So I went ahead and I just created different designs on the jeans. You can honestly create any design. This similar look can also create a neon look. So you can do like...
Laugh.
Ha ha ha. You can do... like a neon sign if you want to write something or do hearts. I think it would create a really, really cool look. So that is the first step that I did, and then I went ahead and I washed the jeans, and then I came with some acrylic paint. Nick, can you give me the paint that's there? Thank you. Alright, and then I went ahead and I went with this Ceram Coat White acrylic paint. I saw someone using this on the lightning jeans, the thing I saw on Pinterest, so I was like, I'm just gonna get that. I don't get why, because I feel like you just use fabric paint so it can last through the washing, but I guess just like my idea from here on out is I'm just gonna wash everything on super gentle. You know, these jeans are gonna be washed by hand and dry. So then I went ahead and in the middle of the line that I drew with the bleach, I went ahead and I drew a line down the middle with this white, and then I ended up doing 2 coats of that. So you'll see me doing 2 coats on 2 separate days because I needed an extra coat. So you might find that you will need an extra coat just like me, and that's perfectly fine. I think that they came out really, really good, and it seems like they're gonna last pretty well. So yeah, that is how I made these jeans, and now I'm gonna show you guys them on me. I'm gonna show you guys the button part. So these are men's jeans, like I said. So they're pretty big all around. So what I did is I got like this little removable little, what is this called? The button. And I went ahead and I stuck it in here. Went ahead and put on the back so I can make it a little tighter. So yeah. So the jeans are a little bit tighter fitting now. Obviously they're still loose and stuff, but look how cute. Let me see. The lightning bolt on the butt is my favorite lightning bolt. But I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the jeans completely now. And yeah, I love them. Come here. So these are the jeans. I think that they came out super duper cute all around. again, they are men's jeans. I was a little bit nervous because the back part, like the, how do I explain this? The pockets are really wide because they're men's jeans. So they didn't look that flattering on my butt. But you know what? I don't care. I don't care. I don't care if they don't look flattering because they're dope. Alrighty guys, so that is it. These are the jeans. I'm obsessed with them at the moment. I think that they're so cute. Do you think that they're so cute?
Yeah.
Yeah, are they your favorite?
Yeah.
Yeah. Can you tell everyone to like the video, do a thumbs up?
Thumbs up.
Like the video, say comment,
Comment.
share,
Share.
and subscribe.
Subscribe.
I don't know where you're looking. What are you looking at? You look over here.
Look over there.
Yeah. Say bye.